Welcome to Cinefile.com, a dynamic movie-based social platform built specifically to unite movie talent, businesses, organizations, and fans within the new media movie-making spectrum. Cinefile.com strongly identifies new trends in technology, production, distribution, and promotion of motion pictures in a new media world. The industry is rapidly evolving in new and exciting ways, but what's missing is focused networking, interaction, and community promotion. Our mission is to support and grow every aspect of this new industry by bringing it all together in one platform, while at the same time encouraging dialogue, interaction, education, and support. Cinephile.com also gives you access to an array of exclusive programming such as industry-focused HD videos, movie reviews, editorials, podcasts, and more. To help grow and sustain a new movie industry, we must have dialogue and exchange, and thus we need to work, promote, and celebrate together. Join us at Cinephile.com and become part of a new movie evolution.